Good morning, children. Today we will study the chapter Wastewater Story, in which we have already studied about sewage and sewerage system. Today we will study the wastewater treatment plant. The wastewater treatment plant is a plant in which wastewater or sewage from houses, buildings, industries get collected in big tanks and is processed to remove impurities. In this treatment plant, water is treated in steps involving physical, chemical, and biological processes so that it becomes suitable to release into water bodies. The different steps involving the treatment of water are: first of all, screening. In this, wastewater is made to pass through bar screens. These screens help to remove large and suspended objects like plastic bags, sticks, cans, etc. After the screening, water is moved to grit and sand removal tank. In this tank, the speed of wastewater is slowed so that grit, sand, pebbles settle down at the bottom of the tank, and the wastewater flowing above passes through the next tank, that is first sedimentation tank. The shape of first sedimentation tank is slope in the middle where sludge is collected. In this sedimentation tank, most of the organic matter like fish is settled at the bottom, which is known as sludge, and it is removed from water time to time. And this sludge is then sent to the another tank, that is called digester tank, where it is decomposed with the help of anaerobic bacteria. With the help of anaerobic bacteria, this sludge help in producing biogas, and the remaining is used as manure. After the first sedimentation tank, water is sent to the aeration tank, where air is pumped into the clarified water so that aerobic bacteria produce in this and decompose the organic matter. The bacteria produce quickly and digest and consume the organic waste, and the unwanted material still remain in the clarified water. This treated water is then sent to the next tank, that is second sedimentation tank. In this tank, aerobic bacteria along with decomposed matter settle down at the bottom of the tank in the form of activated sludge. This activated sludge is removed and passed to the digester tank. It contains approximate 97% water. It is then dried and used as manure. In the form of manure, it gives nutrients back to the soil. After it, the top layer of treated water that has very low organic and suspended matter and free from the most of the harmful and toxic substances, now it is safe to discharge in water bodies. But before discharging, chlorination is done so that if there are some unwanted bacteria present here, they may kill. After the chlorination, water is discharged into river or ground. In this way, the wastewater is treated and again mixed in the water bodies. Thank you, children.